Can we see our Facebook password if we have forgotten it? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can see our Facebook's password if we have forgotten it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course head over to your Facebook. Now, make sure that you logged into your account already before you do this. So if we head over to the menu section on the bottom right corner and then the settings on the top, you will see that you're on the settings and privacy. Now, if you're on settings and privacy, you can just scroll down and yeah, there you should see a lot of settings, but the one that we want to go to, it is Meta Account Center. So head over to Meta's Account Center, and after you're there, you can simply scroll down and there you will see password and security. Head over to password and security, and there you will see your password. Now you will see that there is an option to change password. There is an option for two-factor authentication, you saved logins, where you're logged in and stuff like that. So if you head over to saved logins, you will see where you're logged in and stuff like that. And if you see your two-factor authentication, that has nothing to do with your password, and then you will see change password. Now if you head over to change password, you will need to have your current password as well. So yeah, the baseline is that you cannot actually see your Facebook password if you've forgotten it. The only thing that you can do to recover it is by heading over to your password and security, change password, and from there, even from there, you will need to just type in your password. But there is an option called forgotten your password from where you can just reset it. And yeah, that is basically all for this video, guys. I hope this video answered a question of yours, and stay tuned for more. Do not forget to hit the like button, and yeah, bye bye.